Here is a graph of y is equal to f of x. On the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to f of minus x. So what we need to know is what that actually means. So y is equal to f of minus x is the reflection in the y-axis. So if we take this point here, this point here will be reflected to this point here. This is 2 units, so this will be 2 units. This point here will move 4 units over to here, and then the other important point is this point here, which will move 1 unit this side of the y-axis. So just take the important points and then just draw up the thing with a ruler, label them. Make sure that you don't draw the image outside of the given where it starts and where it finishes, so you don't draw any more than you have to. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to transform a function in the y-axis. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.